Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges. From cutting-edge precision to raw strength, this is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. The Georgia Brush. This compact machine is an absolute mulching powerhouse. Don't be deceived by its size. It packs an unbelievable amount of raw power, effortlessly clearing everything in its path. This might just be the most efficient mulcher I've ever seen. He knew it was risky, but he stubbornly stuck to the plan. No adjustments, no contingency in sight. He cuts the branch, wham! It swings back and traps him. To make it worse, the lanyard gets caught on his harness. Talk about a frustrating chain of events. No wonder he panicked. You know, removing the bark is always step one. And for that, the Z905 debarker by Balger and Zembrode is the ultimate solution. It's a true workhorse, adjusting to logs for a clean peel every time. And let's talk ease of use. Remote controlled operation. It's no surprise this machine is a logger's favorite. And with that, we wrap up our journey through forestry tech. We hope these insights have sparked or deepened your passion for forestry. Wow, this machine is like a monster eating stumps. It's almost like watching a sci-fi film. Oh, wow, that first turn was nerve-wracking. The vehicle balancing on the edge. These drivers show remarkable courage and skill. What a display of audacity. The RT-120 in action. This machine is a beast in the wild. Branches gone, trunks, no problem, stumps, easy peasy. The precision is absolutely next level. Who wouldn't want to get their hands on this and unleash their inner lumberjack? After harvesting, timber is carefully sorted and stacked, then loaded onto trucks to processing facilities where it... Incredible, right? Whoa, that crane moved as if it had its own mind. So smooth, so precise. It was absolutely mesmerizing. You can tell the operator is a total expert. It really made me realize how amazing technology can be when it's used by skilled hands. Whoa, check this out. The TigerCat M7 180 mulcher is a powerhouse. With 170 horsepower, it's pure strength, yet it handles tight spaces with incredible agility. Perfect for clearing tricky utility paths or small plots of land. And breakdowns, forget it. This machine is built like a fortress and keeps going when others throw in the towel. Looking for a wood chipper that takes on the toughest challenges? The Chip 08010C is the solution you need. With its 780 horsepower engine, innovative feed system, and dual chip modes, it's a true powerhouse of efficiency. And with the option to mount it on a 4-axle truck, it's ready to go wherever you need it. This machine will leave you in awe of its capabilities. Drop a 1 in the comments if this video amazed you. Your support keeps our creativity alive. With just a few adjustments, he transformed the chainsaw into a wood-cutting machine. Now, this is what I call a real saw. Introducing the Log Ripper X09. Its 900mm tungsten blade combines nostalgia with cutting-edge technology, effortlessly slices through 370mm of hardwood. Attach it to your excavator, and you're unstoppable. This earth auger isn't just a tool, it's an investment in accuracy and efficiency. Think of it as a surgical strike against stumps and post holes. Unlike a backhoe, it keeps disruptions minimal, leaving behind clean, compact results. It's unmatched in portability, easily maneuverable even in tight areas, a true gold standard in efficiency, and minimal ground disruption. Ever witnessed a stump disappear instantly? Watch the AHWIM 650 in action. This forestry powerhouse is a true game changer. It's built for maximum performance. What's your take on this incredible machine? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The moment this guy entered with a chainsaw, I knew something was off. All I can say is this guy has more self-confidence than anyone I've ever seen. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. This excavator is unreal. It's like 3 machines in one. You can dig, winch, and yard all with this one machine. Can you believe it? The yarder handles long pulls effortlessly. The winch is perfect for shorter hauls, and the excavator can tackle anything you throw at it. Just look how it performs. It's an absolute beast. Drop A1 in the comments if this video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Sad as hell, oh my god, oh my god. This LII 24.8F is an absolute powerhouse. Who would have thought a Chinese excavator could handle the T-region? Forest like this? The forest guard and full protection are smart, but that automatic fire extinguisher, pure genius. Maximize your land clearing productivity with this powerful JCB excavator. Its 20-ton lifting capacity delivers incredible clearing performance. Under ideal conditions, it can clear up to 3 hectares a day. Even in tough terrain, you can still expect a minimum of 1 hectare cleared. Designed to maximize productivity and minimize downtime on large-scale projects. Whoa, check this out. They're using an excavator to split giant logs. It's like a massive wood splitting machine. They've attached a splitter to the bucket. And boom, the excavator slices right through the log. It's way faster and easier than doing it by hand. Seriously impressive. In this breathtaking demonstration of raw power, we see the Kiravet's K701 tractor face the ultimate challenge. Can this machine conquer nature's relentless force? This video is a must-watch for fans of heavy machinery and the sheer power of the natural world. Now let's talk about the Woodland Mill WG4PTO stump grinder. This machine is a beast. With a 24-inch flywheel and 30 for ultra-durable teeth, it can handle any stump. And check this out, it grinds up to 6 inches below ground level, eliminating tripping hazards and preventing regrowth. If your tractor has 15 to 45 horsepower, this grinder is your perfect companion. This is a critical moment. Even the most seasoned professionals face unexpected obstacles. But hey, that's life in the woods. It's tough, it's unpredictable, but it's also absolutely fascinating. This guy has incredible technique, but his luck is equally unmatched. No matter how precise your calculations are, the tree ultimately decides where it falls. If you notice anything unusual while cutting down a tree, move to a safe location immediately. Tree felling is no joke, be cautious. The Volvo FH16600. I once had the pleasure of driving this beast. It's so powerful. I never felt the need to go full throttle. I could overtake anything on the road with ease. It's truly a machine every driver dreams of. Sometimes we must make sacrifices to learn valuable lessons, just like this guy did. We'll get it fixed and we'll be back stronger. All right, see you next time. Incredible. I can't even cut bread with this much precision. At this rate, sawmills might shut down because this guy is doing such an amazing job. Respect to him. Drop a 1 in the comments if this video amazed you. Your support keeps our creativity alive. I don't recognize this. This is a textbook case of overconfidence. They're massively underestimating the risks. That rope could snap at any second. And if it does, it's game over. The lack of awareness is truly astonishing. This MS 6x6 has shown me the true power of logging. Slopes, slippery snow. Nothing can stop this beast of a machine. Absolutely impressive. Hauling timber in the Alps is no easy task. These workers tackle massive loads, challenging slopes, and hairpin curves that'll test anyone's nerve. Much respect. All right, folks, take a look at this absolute powerhouse, the John Deere 1110E. It's a monster on steep terrains, but it's got a monstrous price tag too, at $350,000. What do you think? Is it worth it? Check out this insane machine. It tears through those roots like they're nothing. Looks kinda odd, but wow, it gets the job done like a champ. Pretty cool, right? Watch the precision of a skilled bucker as they process a magnificent Douglas fir on Vancouver Island. Wow, simply wow. The Ursus C360, the pride of Poland, is a powerful tractor that defies expectations. The experienced operator seems to be one with the tractor perfection. Nothing is overdone, and the result is spectacular. Wow, these cedar trees are truly massive, but today they're nearly a match. This expert's talent is on another level. Watch how he brings down these giants with stunning precision. It's like seeing an artist at work, but way cooler. The impact is unbelievable when these behemoths hit the ground. It looks like these guys underestimated the strength of the trees. Oh my God, These guys are playing a high-stakes game of tree Jenga. No safety gear, just sheer determination. That notch looks like trouble waiting to happen. I wouldn't want to be anywhere near that tree. When it falls, they're lucky to have avoided any close calls so far. The situation is practically a disaster in the making. Ever wondered how a sawmill works? Well, today's your lucky day. Let's dive deep into the fascinating process of turning raw logs into polished lumber. Get ready for an exclusive, behind-the-scenes experience you won't forget. The Cat 5-2B is a game-changer in forestry operations. Its elevated cab offers breathtaking panoramic views. You feel completely immersed in nature. Air suspension, heated seats, its unmatched comfort. Its hydraulics deliver impressive power and precision. Even after 150,000 operational hours, it runs flawlessly. It showcases Cat's renowned durability. At this price, it's an unbeatable deal. Sometimes, it's best to leave things to the experts. If you're unsure about handling a task, don't hesitate to call in the pros. Check out these trees, they're not your average ones. They're leaning, unpredictable, and pose a real risk to anyone nearby. Thankfully, these two pros know exactly how to handle the situation. It's a tricky job, but they've got the skills to manage it. This isn't just about a stump and a machine, folks. It's a symbol of the clash between progress and tradition. The K700 embodies innovation, while the stubborn stump represents the past strength. You absolutely have to check out the... If you found this video even slightly entertaining or insightful, drop A1 in the comments to show your love. We appreciate your support. The ingenuity of this man is genuinely inspiring. Conquering a back-leaning tree single-handedly demonstrates incredible skill and perseverance. Modifying his chainsaw for the job is a brilliant example of resourcefulness. It's a reminder that in the face of challenges, human creativity always shines through. Seeing this 56-inch circular saw in action is breathtaking. Its enormous blade, roaring engine, and precise cuts are a spectacle to behold. It slices through massive logs with incredible ease. It's a real showstopper. Despite its 50-year legacy, this sawmill continues to stand the test of time, proof of our ability to innovate and make the most of nature's bounty. Do you have any idea how much timber this Volvo FH440 is hauling? 60 tons, an astonishing load, and it's scaling a slope with ease. This machine is a true workhorse, no question about it. Harvesting timber is like an epic adventure. It's not just about chopping trees. It's about mastering the John Deere 959M. This feller buncher is an absolute beast of a machine. Operators have the power to shape forests while following sustainable practices and maximizing timber yield. It's a thrilling blend of skill, strategy, and a deep respect for nature. The combination of Groeneveldt's cutting-edge technology and the skill of the operator is truly impressive. Watching a deeply rooted stump get removed so smoothly is nothing short of extraordinary. It's a marvel of engineering and a testament to human innovation, precision, and ingenuity in action. Regardless of size, every tree requires skill and care to take down. Once the harvesting is done, the careful process of site restoration begins. Specialized equipment like grapple skidders, forwarders, and even tractors with skidding attachments are used to efficiently gather and remove leftover debris. This thorough cleanup isn't just for aesthetics, it's crucial for preparing the land. Step into the future of land clearing with the Ransom Shark-Tooth Stump Splitter Harvester, Model RST-150, engineered with precision and built to endure. This American-made powerhouse redefines efficiency. Say goodbye to back-breaking labor and expensive equipment rentals. With an innovative design, the Shark-Tooth effortlessly handles stumps of all sizes, minimizing soil disruption. Take a look at the Logset 5 FGT forwarder paired with the Macera 71 crane. They're the ultimate duo for any logging job. This combo offers incredible reach, seamless control, and a roomy, comfy cabin. Plus, it's fuel efficient, helping you save money while getting the job done. Pretty amazing, right? This is a common mistake. People often overestimate their tree felling skills, and that can lead to disaster. Loading lumber onto barges is a unique process compared to loading onto trucks. Barges, due to their massive size and reliance on water transport, require meticulous weight distribution to maintain proper balance. Additionally, securing the lumber with the right lashing is essential to prevent shifting or loss during transport. I know what you're wondering. Isn't this just so satisfying? Seeing all that timber ground down to almost nothing. There's something mesmerizing about that raw power in motion, right? This video highlights the efficiency. Working under tough winter conditions, the precision of each log placement is a testament to the operator's experience and skill. You know what's amazing? The Halverson HWP1 for OB firewood processor. It's incredibly durable and built to last. The hydraulics are so powerful. It makes firewood processing effortless. It's user-friendly, turning a laborious task into an enjoyable one. Think about it: less time chopping wood, more time relaxing by the fire. The Sumitomo SH240 log loaders are like gentle giants, effortlessly lifting and stacking massive logs. Their operators are true craftsmen, orchestrating a stunning dance of machinery and timber. These powerful logging trucks, loaded with timber, embark on journeys that fuel economies and connect continents. It's a sight that inspires awe and gratitude for the natural resources that sustain us. Operating a vehicle of this scale and weight brings enormous challenges. Occasional loss of control is a risk inherent to these operations. Just the sight of it sends chills down my spine, let alone wielding a saw for tree topping. And believe me, there are even scarier tasks. Ever wondered what the view looks like from the top for crane operators? Check out this footage to see for yourself. Man scrolls, man sees another man doing cool stuff, man happy. Check out how this M358 Deuce is handled by a skilled and fearless driver. You'll see exactly the perfect tool in the perfect hands. Tree felling often starts at the crown, not the base. Removing branches from a large tree reduces accident risks during its fall and provides better control over its direction. Helilogging represents a revolutionary leap in efficiency and sustainability. By using helicopters, we access remote timber stands without causing extensive environmental damage. From traditional road construction, this approach preserves delicate forest ecosystems and enhances worker safety. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we call a true workhorse. The BH80EXC slices through that tree like it's paper, smooth, efficient, and effortless. Choose your leverage point wisely when sawing down a tree. Be amazed as this lumberjack conquers a giant, using sheer skill and powerful machinery. The precision is like surgery, and the power is undeniable. This is modern forestry efficient, controlled, and absolutely breathtaking. The intricate art of logging. Watch the precision in every move. Our lumberjack, unfazed by the elements, uses tried-and-true techniques to bring down these giants. The logistics, a monumental challenge, brilliantly solved with modern machinery, a true testament to human ingenuity and adaptability. Imagine this: rugged mountains, the smell of pine, and the rhythmic clop of hooves. In some parts of the world, this timeless scene still exists, a testament to the enduring relationship between humans and animals, and proof that sometimes the old ways remain the best. Wow, now that's an extreme work environment. Just look at the snow. Those logs must be incredibly slick. The precision and skill on display here are remarkable. Operating heavy machinery under such conditions is no easy feat. Clearly, this is a job for experienced professionals. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our video all the way to the end. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Heavy Tech Zone, you'll never miss out on our latest episodes and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.